Hello, my name is Anna Lerol, and I currently complete my master research in Pasteur Institute in Paris. It's my pleasure today to share with you HiPipe, a collaborative, comprehensive toolbox dedicated to quantify brain connectivity across multiple participants. Social interaction can be seen as a dynamic feedback loop that couples action, reaction, and internal cognitive processes across individual agents. A fuller understanding of the social brain requires a description of how neurite dynamics across brain are linked and how they co-evolve over time during shared activities. Paradoxically, most of social neuroscience research has investigated social cognition in isolated individuals exposed to pre-recorded social stimuli in the absence of any real-time interpersonal dynamics. To fill that gap, researchers have developed hyperscanning tools to simultaneously record brain activity from two or more individuals during social tasks. Hyperscanning has facilitated the introduction of naturalistic social stimuli into the study design. EEG hyperscanning has been used to study neural synchronization in a wide range of social interaction contexts, from parent-infant gaze communication to interaction between partners during card games, allowing to study social interaction both in controlled experimental design and in more ecological environments. However, there is currently no consensual approach to carry out such interbrain connectivity analysis, resulting in a scattered landscape of analysis techniques. To accommodate this growing demand of a standardized analysis approaches in a fast-growing research field, we developed HiPipe. HiPipe is a comprehensive and easy-to-understand open-source software package which allows neuroscientists to carry out and interpret a wide range of interbrain connectivity analysis. This HiPipe toolbox is designed to be integrated with MNE-Python. MNE-Python is a software package that enables comprehensive EEG data analysis at the intrabrain level. HiPipe implements this analysis at an interbrain level. Our code is also available on GitHub platform. Feedbacks and ideas are welcome. Here is a short overview of HiPipe functionalities. HiPipe allows to load raw data from various file formats and pre-process them, using high-pass filtering, ICA, local and global auto-reject. But HiPipe also allows to load already pre-processed data from EEG Lab, for example, to apply connectivity and statistical analysis. Then, results can be visualized on 2D or 3D head models. HiPipe provides various connectivity measures as fast synchrony, power synchrony, or amplitude correlation, for example. Recordings are split in epochs across time, and brain signals are converted into connectivity matrices containing both intra- and inter-brain connectivity measures. These matrices represent connectivities between every pair of EEG channels among two participants. Statistical modulation of the interbrain connectivity can be visualized either on 2D topographic map or 3D head models. Only values over the user-defined threshold are plotted. The sequential red colored map is used for positive connectivity values and the blue for negative. The line thickness of the interbrain link increases with the strength of the connectivity. Several other parameters can be modulated in the function by the user. For the future, we first aim to replicate our some previous study to validate our pipeline at both intra and interbrain level, replicating well-established results from Guillaume Dumas. We also wish to implement new functionalities, integrating behavioral variables or group analysis. To conclude, HiPipe is an analysis toolbox designed to facilitate standardized inter-individual neurophysical analysis, to support scientists' progress and replicability in social neuroscience research, but also aim to become a discussion platform for the research community. More detailed information are available on Scan Journal on a dedicated article. I especially want to thank all the collaborators of this study, and thank you for your attention.